Hey, it's DJ Spy Guy here again. We're back riding my bike to work. It's about 12:13 p.m. on a Tuesday, September the 8th, I believe. I think that's what it is. Got some cool things to talk about. We're going to go see the free table and drop some stuff off. Hopefully.
Stream online at Tuesday, September 9, 2025, 12 hours, 13 minutes, and 31 seconds p.m.
It's September 9th, not the 8th. Let's push this button. No instantaneous intersection change. Big shout out to Psychic Tofu, our newest follower of the Spy Crew. Maybe we'll see him one day. He's a streamer in Vancouver who likes to line up for free contests, free pizzas for a year and stuff, like from fresh sliced pizza. Ooh, it's kind of windy today. What's this weird vehicle in front of me? Pontiac something or other. Oh, they didn't turn right. They were... Oh. Oh, do. Let's continue on. My irregular schedule today has caused chaos in the Twitchosphere. I can feel it. There's also a big Twitch Vancouver meetup tonight at Bar None. Look for like Vancouver Twitch meetups or something on the internets. You can find out more about that. And man, my bike frame is squeaky. Thought I just got this friggin' thing serviced. I'm also very hungry. What's going on here? We got a green light. Nice. This is sort of our last month of okay weather. It's definitely really not summer anymore, but it's still pretty nice out. You see, I was going to do a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday bike ride to work this week because I had a dentist appointment on Friday, or a consultation. But then I found out today it wasn't going to be covered by insurance this year. It's all been used up. So I canceled it. There's nothing that I need to go do. Not yet. Let's go push this button in here. Oh. Don't need to push the button. Don't need to push the button. There we go. Oh, I didn't bring, oh, I have my water bottle. I was like, oh, I didn't bring my water bottle, but it's already in my water bottle cage. But not with the freshest of water. I think they need to change their school sign. It says, congratulations, grads of 2025. Shouldn't it say, welcome back? So something I ordered from Long and McQuaid, like 5-6 months ago, has finally arrived. So I'm gonna go pick that up. Not on stream, but I'll go this afternoon. And then I'll still do a bike home stream from work, I think. It's just a deck saver for my DJ equipment. Like a plastic shell that goes over the audio equipment, the digital DJ thing.
Oblivious Stone said, hi.
Hello, Oblivious Stone. I wasn't supposed to go to work today. That's okay. Going to work today means I don't have to go to work or go into the office on Friday. So that's nice. Whoa. All right, this is chaos right now. Oh, the asparagus truck. Have you seen the asparagus cement mixer around town? I like that. It's my crew, biker gang. Let's go, bike gang. Oh yeah, gotta drop off some shoes at the free table. Don't forget that. Construction up ahead for some reason. Wonder what they're doing. Oh, people eating their lunch, nice. Okay, oh, there's a big friggin' hole in the ground.
Noriel 4 said, "Hi."
Hey, Noriel 4. Look at this dumbass Toyota. Hey. He's like, I'm sorry to everybody. Look at my bike crew up here. All pedal power too. No e-bikes. And we got a super slow car impeding our biking up here. What the fuck are they doing? Okay. They don't even know what they're doing. I need to make my own hi or hello emoji and subscriber emojis and free ones. Oh yeah, table. We shall put the shoes let's see, let's have a look at the table today.
Noriel 4 said, "Did anyone ever compliment your behind then a car gets in a head-on collision?"
No, I didn't see that. I mean, I saw
Monkey
that.
Banana said, "Ha ha ha."
That was an amazing clip. Why aren't you famous? There's a keyboard here and an old cassette tape.
Monkey Banana said, "I'm here waiting for the stream to load. See a reference I get." Noriel 4 said, "Maybe one day."
Ooh, there's a little scooter here. I'll just put those there.
Monkey Banana said, "We'll join in more once the stream loads my silly ad blocker."
There's the shoes I'm giving away. They served me well. Oh, let's let Monkey Banana see my shoes. My shoes. Can you see them? Da, 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 da. Okay. Keyboard and mouse. Ooh, what's in this box? Nothing. Okay, let's get out of here.
Noriel 4 said, "What size is that?" 50. Oblivious Stone said, "Nice shoes."
Size, what size was that? Size what? What's a 50? Look at this. Zooming. Zoom, zoom, zooming. I think they're size 10 and a half shoes. Gore-Tex, all that stuff. They were my weather-proof shoes when I was riding my bike to work in the weather, the bad weather, the rain. But I've got some new ones. I would like to rebuy those, like to get a brand new pair, but they don't sell them anymore. Or they do, but they're really, really ugly, stupid colorway. I have a meeting at 1. I'll be there in time. Look at this guy. Nice. There's a lot of cyclists at lunchtime right now. Quite a few bicycles and stuff out here.
Monkey Banana said, "Greetings, MR Spy Guy."
Hey, Monkey Bananas, I really liked your video. It had everything, and all in like a quick little 30-second clip. And I don't think you got any hate on it unless it gets posted to live stream fails. Because the hate that stupid assholes on the internet will be like, why didn't you go back? Why didn't you help them? They're horrible. What happens if they need the video for insurance? But like you said, no one could have possibly, I mean, it wasn't very serious. Look at this Tesla. Hey, Tesla, yeah! What are you doing? Oh my God, they're doing a 3-point turn back there. Oh, look at this bike shop in full effect today.
Funny enough, I did address that during the stream and clip, plus it left me a little rattled for a moment, so maybe not my clearest moment of thinking of what to do.
Nice, I've got that same bike rack. Cool. Hey guys, I got that same bike rack. It's really good. The tool?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah. I hope so, do a lot.
Wow. What is, holy, look at the electronics on that thing.
Yeah.
That thing looks like fun when it's working, right?
It will be, yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, see you guys.
A little horsepower to it.
All right.
Yeah, take care.
Later. Okay. All right, here we go. They seem kind of nice. I think they're just fixing their friends' bikes up and stuff, right? Ooh, there's like a bag of dog poop right there. Oh, okay. Yeah. You're cool, monkey. We all, yeah, it's all good. And also I could have looked at the full video too. Hey guys, look up Monkey Bananas on Social Blade. I did that yesterday. It's interesting. Very interesting. Yo, you're kind of close. Jeez. Need to give these people some bicycle lessons. Oh, I couldn't do my shortcut. Turning left up here. That guy's not signaling, but he's doing the same as me. He's definitely going to cheat this circle up here. Watch this. He's going to cut the corner. I can tell, I can feel it. Oh, oh, oh. And he does. He does, everybody. Points go to DJ Spy Guy. Nice. Next thing we know, this guy's gonna like launch a loogie behind himself all over me. I'm sure Monkey Bananas has been on the receiving end of a snot rocket before. I think a lot of cyclists have. It's disgusting, dude. This guy's still not signaling. I have no idea what he's doing. But he is riding a Norco, which I like because I have a Norco. And he knows all the cool shortcuts. This is kind of cool art. What does it say? I can never read graffiti. Let's get closer. Can you read this? What the heck? It says, I don't know. Two nice movers. And then what? Does it say too nice? I don't know.
Oblivious don't say no.
What does this one say then?
Oblivious Stone said, something or maybe.
This one is like G-O-N, no, it's G, no, it's C? Something, I have no idea. I think that's 2, like the letter T, the number 2, and then 0. It's all stylized.
Noriel 4 said, what language is this?
This is tag language. It's tag. Maybe put it into Google Translate.
Oblivious Stone said, Core TZV.
Oh, that could be it too, yeah. All right, that's it for today. Well, not today. That's it for the bike ride to work stream. My bike ride home should be in a few hours here. I already did like half my work at home today. Thanks everybody for joining. Noriel, Oblivious Stone, Monkey Bananas, everyone else. Also Psychic Tofu, thanks for the follow. Why didn't you follow earlier? Come on, dude. Check me out on youtube.com/DJ Spy Guy as well. And until next time, thanks for watching.